Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, you're just in time. I was about to start drawing a penguin character. You want to draw with me? Okay, grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. First, we're going to start with the head of the penguin. We'll do a rounded shape like that. Once we have our shape for the head, we're going to come down and draw the body, which is another big rounded shape like that. Perfect. Now that we have our penguin shape, we're going to start with the arms on this side, one on the other side, and then 2 feet by drawing jagged lines underneath. Good job. That looks great. Next, let's move on to the inside of our shape and do 2 big eyes. We'll do one there, one on the other side, a line underneath our eyes, and then fill in the pupils looking to the side. We'll give our penguin some eyebrows, a little beak, and then let's do a shape around like this for the belly of the penguin. We'll come up around the head just a little bit and do a pointy shape in the center. Give our penguin a couple little hairs, some round cheeks, and a few little details around. And there we have a penguin character.
Yeah.
You did a really good job on that one. Thank you so much for following along. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.